In this video, I'm going to tell you the best way that I've found to keep my USB powered devices charged, whether at home, at your office, or on a trip. So if that sounds cool to you, stick around. Hey everybody, I'm Andrew, this is Touring Midwest, and in this video we're going to talk about the Sabrent 10-port 60 watt USB charging hub. And I'm telling you, so glad that I found this thing on Amazon. Links will be in the description. Always check the description. It's also available in my Amazon influencer store, so I'll also link that below. So this thing is absolutely awesome. You're able to charge up to 10 devices at one time quickly and easily. This is a 60 watt unit, 12 amp max, 2.4 amps per port. So you're able to charge even your quick charging devices very quickly and efficiently, and it just works absolutely awesome. Here in the garage, I use it to charge all of my Bluetooth communication headsets. I've got a lot of them for group rides and things like that. Most of those charge all at the same time. When I'm working out in the garage, I can plug my phone in here, I can charge my GoPro, extra GoPro batteries, etc. It comes with this cord, which can be unplugged. One nice feature of the cord is it does come with this Velcro strip here, so for traveling you can just wind the cord up quite nicely and secure it with that. So that's just a nice touch. Plug it into a standard wall outlet. So when you're traveling, you just get to your motel, plug it into the wall, cabin, electric campsite, etc. This thing travels really well. Pretty small form factor. It doesn't weigh a ton. I would definitely recommend it for traveling. So here's a couple extra spare GoPro batteries. Boom. GoPro's charging. Phone. By the way, side note, these USB cables here, these orange ones that I have, come in multiple colors. I'm going to put these in the description down below too. Affiliate links to Amazon. They're also available in my online store, but these are the best charging cables that I've found. It's like a fabric braided weave around here for extra protection. But I think the magic is how far down this rubber piece goes. Just don't have to worry about the end of it getting weak and fragile and breaking your wire. Really have been good. And they support fast charging as well. They're made by Hayward. They come in a 4-pack with 3 different sizes. 3-foot, 2 6-foot, and a 10-foot. And I thought the 10-foot was going to be like super way too long and I'd never use it. But it's super nice for in the garage. You can move your phone around while it's still charging, and I really like that 10-foot cord, so yeah, definitely check the links in the description. So you've got your phone, your GoPro, 2 extra GoPro batteries, all charging at the same time, and you've still got 7 ports available for your Bluetooth headset, your wife's Bluetooth headset, 5 of your buddy's Bluetooth headsets. So you can see the potential here. Just super nice. If you've got 5-6 people in your family, you can all charge your phones at the same time, tablets, etc. right here. I've been using this for probably close to a year, and it's worked absolutely really well. Here in the garage, temperature changes all the time. Right now it's super cold. I'm pretty sure you can see my breath. I can. Temperature change really hasn't affected it at all, and it's just a super solid device. I said it doesn't weigh much, which is true. It's not super heavy, but it does have enough weight where that combined with this rubber pad on the bottom, you set it somewhere and it's not walking all over the place. It could still be pulled down if you accidentally grabbed a cord or whatever, but overall just a really secure, solid device. No way to actually mount it to the wall or anything like that, but I just set it on the shelf. I'm able to plug everything into it and I'm good to go. Super great for traveling. Like when we were in Sturgis last year, we had a cabin. This just was plugged in all the time. Something always charging. Extra headsets, extra batteries, different things like that. Super great, super convenient. Highly recommend this product. Really appreciate you watching. Hopefully it was a good idea for you guys. Stay safe out there as always, and I will catch you in the next video from Touring Midwest.